Hello, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group, and today I'm going to talk about how to prepare your home for an open house. All right, there's a couple steps to prepare your home for that first open house. First one, you want to eliminate half of your belongings because clutter can cost a sale. I recommend, either renting a storage unit, a portable pod, or even asking a friend if you can borrow some space in his or her garage. You can use a product called Home Wash. It attaches to the hose and it's good to clean the outside of the house. You want to clean all rain gutters as well as outside windows and screen. You want to make sure that the front door is inviting. You can paint the front door or just give it a good cleaning. Let's see, another thing that you can do is buy new house numbers. If the old ones are dated or faded, be sure that buyers can see the new ones from the curb. Which leads me to another item. You can buy a new welcome mat. Organize all closets and drawers because buyers are people too. Some might take a look there. Let's see, we want to make all necessary repairs so the buyers don't have to add that to their list of expenses. Rearrange furniture to make rooms appear as large as possible. We want to make sure that every surface is shiny, from ceiling fans to baseboards. Don't forget interior windows, mirrors, and floors. You want to scrub every inch of the kitchen and bathrooms. You want to depersonalize each room, removing photo frames, posters, or even artwork. Buy new linens and pillows if necessary. Be certain that they're a neutral color. Buy an air neutralizer and spray it often. And last and finally, you want to let go emotionally of your home and get it ready for that offer. If you have any questions, reach me at my information below. Thank you.